Time to go work on the race car. So anyway, welcome back to the channel. Tonight, not today, tonight, just working on a couple little things here. You actually can't see here, but what I got going on here is a floor pan repair. Had to replace the whole section right there. That is some of the Loctite rust inhibitor, which needs to be above 50, for which I have yay thing running in here, keep it nice and warm. And then I gotta start the other side. As you can see, the flat spot on the ground, on the floor, is rusted to shit, but the rest is good. But nobody really cares about that one. Everybody cares about the black car. So here's the door, here's the other door. And the reason why everything I do takes forever. I have decided that I am going to try making my own panel. I gotta go find me the material that sort of matches this. It's actually a little bit darker than that. Should be about that color. And yeah, I already took the window sweep, which has the most hardcore staples I have ever seen, but I'm pretty sure I can get away with some rivets instead. And right now, I gotta remove the stanchions, or whatever these chrome things are called. And yeah, so what's gonna happen is that I'm gonna remove this cardboard, go find something similar, or I might even get something better. I don't know, maybe like ABS plastic, which I have a lot of that. Cut it out of that, rough it up, and made it to this metal, I don't know what you call it. So pretty much replicate all of this out of plastic, join it back to this metal piece right here, and yeah, put it back on and see if I make my own. I still haven't decided if I want to go kind of custom or just get the fabric and then use this backing as my template so I can get the whatever this is. But I do know that these do not belong to my car, because I've seen other Grand Nationals and they have a single stitching. So I don't know if this is the correct or not. I gotta look it up. If you know if this one's correct or not, leave it in the comments. Maybe you'll get to it before I get to it. Doesn't really matter. As you can tell, I'm not strong on originality. But yeah, so this is what's happening right now. This one over here, lizard skin inside, and then I coated the whole thing with a bed liner. I don't know, I kind of like the texture, and also protect whatever other crevices I could have left from painting. The whole point of this was to make sure that it is as rust proof as I can get it, because these doors are notorious for rusting at the seams, and the moment the seams pop, the whole thing is screwed. So slowly chipping away at that. Today I actually got ready to do the ignition coil, which is right here, but as always it just rained all day, never stopped, so did some rearranging here, as you can tell. And pretty much when I'm not working on that, I'm working on this. Right now I'm waiting for that to dry, so I started doing this, and I'm gonna try my hand at that. So tonight I'm gonna take this apart, get this ball rolling. Tomorrow I'm probably gonna go look for the fabric, just kind of see how it goes from there. But another thing that I found kind of funny, I've never seen these backwards before. I'm not sure if there's a special tool or somebody just put in self-cutting nuts backwards, or what the deal is with this. All I know is that I'm gonna use the needle nose pliers backwards and pull them out. Never seen them, so watch me do this and we'll continue on. Well, got these out. I'm kind of glad to find out that this didn't like slide and come off, and those were left on there like brackets or something, because yeah, Again, I've never seen these backwards. Must be like a upholstery thing. I don't know. Never seen them like that. Anyways, so now I'm gonna remove this trim and yeah, go from there. So now that I have removed this, I'm gonna check that I have not stretched it, because this is gonna be this is going to be my template for the new piece that I'm gonna cut out. And I forgot to remove the lock ring. So fabric's off, put it to the side. And I'm also gonna try to salvage this, because this is what I'm gonna use to replicate the stitching. Although, like I mentioned, I'm not sure if I'm gonna go back with that stitching, or if I'm going to go something custom. I don't know. I gotta see how I feel, and if I'm feeling frisky, I'll definitely do it. But yeah, it's kind of gross to see what's underneath it. I don't know if you can see that, but that looks like mold to me. And definitely there too. But yeah. This is gonna be my template for the ABS. I'm gonna see if yeah, this just peels off of the cardboard. I'm trying not to damage the cardboard again. Like I said, I'm gonna use it as a template. I'm gonna use this as a template. I'm gonna use that as a template, and see what I can make. And since I'm in such a fabricating mood, I also bought some MDF, which I might use to make a center console, like an armrest. I'm not a fan of the ones that are currently out there right now, where you lose functionality of the actual console that it's in the car. So what I'm going to do is kind of just build straight up on it. I'm still debating on whether it's gonna look the way I think it's gonna look, because the center console is very narrow. So I'm gonna experiment with some cardboard first. If I like what the cardboard template looks like, I'm gonna make it out of MDF and then go about wrapping it, or whatever covering I decide to do on it. But yeah, that'll be all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Hit that like button, subscribe, and share this with anybody that may find it useful.